Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest insights and top recommendations on the best tools, gadgets, and gear out there. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best grill tools with case, the Cuisinart 13-piece wooden grill tool set. If you're into grilling or know someone who is, this might just be the upgrade your barbecue setup needs. Let's get into the unboxing experience. Right off the bat, the set comes in a sleek and sturdy carrying case made from recycled plastic. It's compact, well organized, and super easy to store or carry to your next outdoor cookout. Open it up, and you're greeted by a full set of grilling essentials laid out neatly in their dedicated slots. Here's what you get: an 18.5-inch spatula, a 17.5-inch grill fork, an 18-inch pair of tongs, a 17.5-inch cleaning brush, 4 stainless steel skewers, and 4 corn cob holders. Everything is made from durable stainless steel and finished with wooden handles that not only look great but also give you a solid grip. The wood adds a classic, rugged vibe, perfect for backyard grill masters who want that timeless barbecue feel. Now let's talk about performance. These tools aren't just for show, they're built to handle serious grilling. The spatula is wide and solid, making it easy to flip burgers or move larger cuts of meat without bending. The tongs have just the right amount of tension and length, allowing you to grip and turn food safely while keeping your hands away from the heat. That extra long reach on all the tools is a real plus. You're not hovering over flames or risking burns every time you need to flip something. The grill fork is sharp and sturdy, perfect for piercing through steaks or moving larger items. The skewers are strong, reusable, and easy to clean. And those corn holders? A small touch, but great for summer barbecues. They're comfortable to hold and make eating corn on the cob a lot less messy. One underrated star in the set is the cleaning brush. It's got a solid handle and thick bristles that can tackle burnt-on residue with ease. It's not a cheap add-on, it's a tool you'll actually use and appreciate after each cookout. Now let's talk about the case again for a second. It's really convenient, not just for storage but for keeping everything together if you're grilling on the go. Whether you're headed to a beach, park, or a friend's house, just grab the case and go. No more digging through drawers for that missing spatula. And finally, this set makes an excellent gift. Whether it's Father's Day, a birthday, or a holiday, this set is a no-brainer for any barbecue enthusiast. The presentation, the build quality, and the functionality all come together to make it feel more premium than the price suggests. So to wrap it up, the Cuisinart 13-piece wooden grill tool set hits all the right notes. It's stylish, sturdy, and practical. It covers all the tools you need for grilling and even takes care of storage with a smart recycled case. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, this set is a fantastic companion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know your favorite grilling tool. See you in the next one.